In today's quick Excel guide, I'm going to show you how you can install ChatGPT in Excel. So this is really easy to do. Firstly, you want to go to add-ins. So this is basically where you can add those extensions to Excel. And here you want to search for ChatGPT. You will have different options and you want to choose ChatGPT OpenAI. So I want to click on it. Now you can read through what it can do. So when this add-in is used, it can read and make changes to your document, access my profile information such as my name, email address, can send data over the internet. So you want to click on add, then continue. Now it should open the window on the right side. Yes, this is the ChatGPT, and from here we want to click on continue with ChatGPT, and we are going to log in into our account. And once you are logged, you will see the chat on the right side and you can start chatting. But in my case, I currently have a free plan on ChatGPT, so it's asking me for upgrade to access. So it's currently only available to Plus and Pro users. So if you click on See Plans, you can view their plans. And you need to have at least Plus plan from here. So this 23 euros per month. And that's basically it. Then you are going to able to use it and you can write your prompts or edit files with it. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.